Man, I was probably... Hi everyone, it's Dr. Dalton with Seven Bridges Chiropractic. I'm here with one of my patients that presented due to hip pain and knee pain while she walks. Actually, this weekend it was a huge win for her. She was able to go to Disney and walk 8 miles on Friday and 10 miles on Saturday without any hip or knee pain, which is huge. So we're gonna go through and just loosen up her hips and her low back, adjust through a little bit of her mid back, and get her on her way today. So this will be a little bit of a quicker video for the ones that like the long ones. Go ahead and go face down for me first. And don't forget to click the little bell so that you get the notifications for our newest videos that come out on Wednesdays, and hit subscribe to our channel. So how was Disney?
Hot.
You said hot. No inclement weather though?
Oh yeah, we got some, but it was fine because we just did the indoor rides then.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I liked it a lot. But definitely the first time in years that my hip hasn't bothered me during something like that.
That's so awesome.
Mm-hmm.
That is huge. And that's why I love my job.
Yeah.
A little tender there.
Yes.
I could feel you wanting to jump away from me. I went and had a massage this weekend, and oh my gosh, he was killing my hip. And at one point I tried to jump off the table. He goes, "Oh, you want a light massage today?" I'm like, "No, I just need you to let loose just a little bit. That is way too much pressure." So I try and find that happy medium with you guys where you're not wanting to jump off so that we can get a good release in there. This side is much better. Do you notice that?
Yes. And this is the pain side.
Yeah. No, I'm saying much better from when you first started.
Yes.
It used to have quite a few tender spots. There's still a little bit right there.
No, now it feels much more like a normal hip.
So how's your week looking?
Not bad.
Yeah.
First week of summer vacation for my kids.
What are you doing with the summer for them? Are they going to any camps or anything?
Yeah. Surf camp and sleepaway horseback riding camp.
Oh, I think you did tell me that. Where's the sleepaway horse riding?
Diamond D, like out
Okay.
here just west of Jacksonville.
They do some cool,
They do.
like pop-up shows,
They
right?
do, yeah.
Like Ram
Like
kind of.
Saturday camps, yeah.
Yeah.
She's done a couple of those, but this will be the first sleepaway camp.
That's cool.
She's super pumped.
Does she ride right now? Or is this just
Not
something new?
consistently,
Yeah.
She went and got new boots.
Oh, nice. Where do you go get boots from?
Skips in Daytona.
Oh, wow. So you
Yeah.
gotta go. Well, I guess you were down that way.
Yeah,
so that
exactly.
makes
And my
sense.
mom lives there. Yeah, so we did it on our way.
Yeah, it's been so long since I've ridden. My mom the other day was like, "What'd you do with all your riding stuff?" I'm like, "It's just in a box in our shed."
In my attic.
I'm like, I'm never gonna get rid of it.
Yeah.
But I'm just not ready to ride yet. I never understood when my parents would say things like, "Oh, I can't do that. Like, I'm worried about getting hurt or injured or whatever."
Yeah.
And now I'm
Now
that
you
way
know.
because if I injure myself, I'm out.
Yep. It's the same thing. I'm like, that looks like fun, but it's not worth the risk.
Yeah. Or that looks like fun, but I know I'm gonna be sick later.
Yes. Oh yeah. That was all the roller coasters. We did like
Get this side up for me.
Everest in Animal Kingdom, and I did it with her like 2 times in a row, and then she did it 2 more times in a row, and I was like, nope.
I thought I would be good on Everest, and we went, and man, I was probably, there we go, other side for me. I was probably like 13, 14.
Yeah.
And as soon as it started going backwards, I was like, yep, nope, I'm not
That was
good.
my favorite part.
It is pretty cool. There we go. And then go on your back for me.
The best part was like on the multiple ones after we knew what was gonna happen and other people didn't.
Oh yeah.
That's
And when they're
fun.
just screaming.
Where they're like, it's over?
Yeah.
No, just wait.
Good. All right, and then crisscross both knees.
Oh, the good one.
There we go. All right, let me give you a hand up.
Thank you.
You are so welcome. Well, thank you.
Absolutely.
Thanks guys for watching. Go ahead and tune in to our next video or go ahead and check out in the description below some of our older videos.